following video will go over using stations and control to manage your estimates. Okay, let's go to control. The first thing we want to do is set up our stations. So let's go to setup, system setup, and then we want to go to our stations. And then here you see a list of stations all pertaining to different orders and estimates and line items in the system. Looks like we already have one station called hot. This particular station would represent those estimates, those pending estimates that you have a very good chance of getting or converting over to orders. Let's go ahead and create two other stations. We're going to call them warm and cold. Warm to represent that maybe this particular estimate may need a callback, maybe one or two more times, and then cold is for those estimates that more than likely we're probably not going to get. To create those, we're going to go to the right hand side on the action toolbar, create new item. Let's call this one warm, and we want to check the option for estimates that says this station is used for pending estimates. And let's go ahead and save it. And we want to do the same thing for the code station. And let's save it. Oh, let me uncheck it because we're not actually going to clock onto these stations. And let's save it. I went ahead and created a estimate in the system. So now the next thing I want to do before actually saving this estimate is change the station. And in this case we want to say that it's a warm estimate, meaning that this customer may need to be called back once or twice to identify if we need to continue forward with this particular job or not. So let's go ahead to the save and save it as an estimate. It's going to save it in that station. And now since we have this order in the correct station, let's go ahead to our report, and we're going to go to reports, scroll over estimate. And in this case we want to preview or look at all those estimates in the pending station or status, and we want to group them by station. Alright, let's go ahead and preview the report. And now we see a breakdown of all the pending estimates in the system based off of our different stations we have them grouped by. So we have our being estimated, we have our code station, we have a group of our hot stations, and of course our warm and to be estimated. It shows the actual order number, or I'm sorry, the estimate number, the company, that contact and phone number, and then as well as the subtotal for that particular job. This will conclude this video.